Viewers, today I am going to discuss detail about a very important topic, article. Across this video, you will get some important lesson on this particular topic, articles. You will have certain features in this video, like the definition of articles, kinds of articles, use and unuse of definite article the, and in the concluding part you will get exam based questions and their answers. So viewers, I am Vaishnav Mahanta, welcomes you to Mission Success Tutorial, an exclusive program running on BM Talks. Let us unfold this video. First of all, let us know about definition of article. Definition of article tells us that an article is a word used to modify a noun which is a person, place, object or idea. Technically, an article is an adjective which is any word that modifies a noun. Usually, adjectives modify nouns through description, but articles are used instead to point out और रिफर टू नाउन्स. इसका मतलब है विशेषण विवरण के माध्यम से संज्ञा को संशोधित करते हैं, लेकिन लेखों का उपयोग संज्ञाओं को इंगित करने या संदर्भित करने के लिए किया जाता है. इट मीन्स दैट एडजेक्टिव एक्चुअली क्वालिफाइज ए नाउन, व्हेयरएज आर्टिकल्स इंडिकेट ए नाउन. नेक्स्ट लेट अस सी काइंड्स ऑफ आर्टिकल्स. लेख के प्रकार कितने हैं? आर्टिकल्स आर ऑफ टू काइंड्स, लाइक डेफिनाइट आर्टिकल that is the and indefinite article a and n. So now let us see the use of definite article the. The definite article the is used before singular and plural nouns. It is used both before countable and uncountable nouns to make definite or specific reference to a person or a thing that has already been referred to. So here you see actually the is used before noun both in singular and plural. It is also used before countable and uncountable nouns. But the particular noun to which the reader or the listener already known it refers to. Definite article the has certain uses. Let us see the first use, specific use, how the is used specifically. Before nouns like person, place, thing, object known to the listener or reader and speaker. The is used before particular noun about which the listener or the reader and the speaker are already known. In that particular case, the is used. Here some examples are given. Let us see example 1. Shyam has a cow. The cow gives much milk. You see, here the definite article the has been used before the noun cow. Here cow is a definite cow, a specific cow that belongs to Shyam. So the is used here. Another example, this is the gift that my friend gave me. You see here gift refers to a particular gift given by my friend. So the is used here. Then next example, can you give me the mobile that you use? You see here this particular mobile possessed by you. So the definite article the has been used just before mobile. Then another example, return the book that I gave you yesterday. You see here, this book is a particular book that I gave you yesterday. So the has been used. Next, let us see unique use of definite article the. Before unique things or object like sun, moon, sky, earth, universe, police, government, internet, president, CEO, world, etc. These nouns are unique by nature. There is no supplement of such nouns. That's why the comes before them. Sun, we may say the sun. Moon, the moon. Sky, we can say the sky. Earth, the earth. Universe, the universe. Police, before police we use the police. Similarly, government, we can say the government. Internet, the internet. President, the president. Like this. Some examples are given. Let us see. The sun rises in the east. Here you see, sun is a unique object, and this is the single noun. So there is no supplement or no alternate nouns for this noun sun. So the has been used. The sun rises in the east. East also a unique direction. So the comes before it. The next example, the moon appears at night. So moon is a unique object. So the comes before it. Similarly, the sky looks blue. The earth revolves round the sun. Some more examples are given. We should use the before universe, before police, before government, before internet. Look at the examples. The universe is an emerging creation of God. So universe is a unique object. That's why the has been used just before it. Similarly, next example, the police are investigating the crime. You must use the before police. The government is responsible to maintain the national security. The also comes before government. The internet has gained immense popularity in current age. Before the noun internet, the is used. The is also used before some words referring to nature, mountain, mountain ranges, group of islands, oceans, seas, gulf, canals, rivers, beach, weather, united countries, deserts, peninsulas, etc. Let us see the examples. He likes living in the countryside. Here you see, countryside means rural area, the villages, and countryside is a part of nature. So the has been used here. The countryside. We must say the countryside. Another example, before mountain ranges like Himalayas. Himalayas is a mountain range, so the comes before it. We must say the Himalayas. Another example, the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. You see, Andaman and Nicobar Islands are a group of islands. So the comes before this particular noun. Next example, the Indian Ocean. The also used before ocean. The Indian Ocean is a particular ocean, and before ocean the has been used. Here you see some more examples. the words that refer nature. I have already given an example. Let us repeat it. He likes living in the countryside. Countryside means rural area, so the has been used here. Similarly, the word that refers to mountain range. You see, the Himalayas of India. Himalayas is a mountain range. That's why the has been used. The comes before group of islands, the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. These also used before oceans like the Indian Ocean, before seas, the Arabian Sea, before gulfs, the Gulf of California. The also used before canals. We can use the before Suez canals and some other canals. So the example, the Suez Canal. The also comes before rivers, the Mahanadi, before beach, the beach of Indian Ocean. The comes before weather. The weather is dry today. The also comes before United countries like the United Arab Emirates. It is also used before deserts. We may say the Thar deserts. So viewers, now let us see a table of comparison where the should be used and where it should not be used. You see, actually the is used in specific sense, but when we express something in general sense, the is not used. Here is some comparative examples. Man. The man is dwarf. The man is dwarf. Here the has been used because here the man is a particular man who is dwarf. But if we say man is mortal, here man is mortal means man in general, all class of men. So the is not used here. Another example, the noon of summer is very hot. Here the noon is a particular noon that prevails in summer season. So the has been used. But noon is the mid period of a day. Here noon has been used in general sense. Noon means all noons. Then another example, the President of India. These also used before designation. Here President is a designation, so the comes before it. But if we say President Kennedy, if name comes just after the designation, then the is not used. President Kennedy, here Kennedy is the name of the president, so the is not used here. Let us see some more examples. Doctor, the doctor of AIMS. Here the is used because the doctor, noun doctor, refers to a particular doctor who serves in AIMS. But here you see Dr. Anjan. If there is the name followed by the noun, then the is not used. Dr. Anjan. Anjan is the name of the doctor, so the doesn't come before it. Another example, the Queen of England. Here Queen refers to a definite queen, particular queen who belongs to England. So the is used here. Another example, Queen Elizabeth. Again you see the name of the queen is followed by the noun queen, so the is not used here. Poet, the poet of Odia literature. Here poet refers to a particular category of poet who writes Odia literature. So the is used here. Poet, poet imagine a lot. Here poet has been used in general sense. Poet means all poets. You see, definite article the comes before the word or the noun that ends with plural. The noun which ends with plural is preceded by the definite article the. You see the some examples given here. United States. We must say the United States. The has been used here because the noun United States, the last word is in plural form, states. So the comes before it. Similarly, the Netherlands. The Netherlands is also in plural form. So the comes before it. Philippines. Philippines also in plural form. So the comes before it. But there are some other countries like which are not plural in its ending part of the name. The doesn't come. You see, Russia is a country. Russia is not in plural form. So the doesn't come before it. Similarly, South Africa is a hot country. Here you see South Africa is in singular form. So the is not used here. India. India is a democratic country. We can't say the India because here you see the name is a singular form. So we must say India is a democratic country. The also comes before superlative degree. The superlative degree of adjective is preceded by definite article the. Look at the example. The best boy in the class. The best. Best is the superlative degree of good, better, best. So the comes before it. The also, you see another example. The most beautiful girl. Most is in superlative form. So the comes before it. The tallest tree. The highest rate. But the doesn't come before the name of days. We can't say tomorrow is the Sunday. It is wrong. We must say tomorrow is Sunday. The will not be used before the name of days. Yesterday was Friday. He will come on Tuesday. Her birthday falls on Wednesday. You see, before the name of days, the is not used. The also used before adjective and singular countable noun. But when such examples or such situation comes, the means the class of that noun. You see the example, the poor. The poor means class of poor people, all poor people. So when the noun refers to a class of or a section of people, section of that noun, we should use the. The poor means class of poor people. The rich, it means class of rich people. The dwarf, it means class of dwarf people. Those who are shorter in physical shape, we say dwarf. The dwarf means all class of dwarf people. The cow means class of cows, all cows of the world. But we should not use the before the name of language. You see the examples are given here. Hindi is spoken in India. We should not say the Hindi is spoken in India. It will be wrong. Hindi is spoken in India. English is spoken in Britain. Odia is spoken in Odisha. Tamil is spoken in Tamil Nadu. So the doesn't come before the name of language. We can use the before the name of hotel, restaurant, etc. The Hilton. Hilton is the name of a hotel. The Mayfair, the Le Sancy, the Golden Palace. These are the names of hotel and restaurant. So the comes before but we cannot use the before proper noun. Look at the example. Ramesh is a washerman. It is a correct sentence, but we cannot say the Ramesh is a washerman. It will be wrong. Govindo stood fast in class. Pallavi is a good dancer. Lakshmi is a housemaker. You see, all the names of persons are in proper noun form, so the is not used before them. The is used before name of famous buildings, museums, arts, monuments. See the example: the Vietnam Memorial, the Mona Lisa, the Taj Mahal, the Hawa Mahal, the statue of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. All are the names of monuments and some museums. So the comes before them. But we cannot use the after possessive case of the noun. You see, Ramesh car. We cannot say Ramesh is the car. We cannot use definite article the after possessive case. Possessive case of the noun. Look at the example. Ramesh is the car is a wrong sentence. You see, we cannot use after possessive case of the noun. The car is not correct. We must say Ramesh's car. Similarly, Govindo's book. It will not be Govindo's the book. It will be incorrect. Pallavi's mobile is correct. The will not be used after possessive case of the noun. Lakshmi's shoes. It is correct. But we cannot say Lakshmi's the shoes. It will be wrong. Some more examples are given here. Pay your attention. You see, an engineer, the engineer of architect. You see, we should not use before profession of a person. Engineer, the is not used before this profession. We cannot say the engineer. It will be wrong. But we can say the engineer of architect, because here the engineer means engineer specifically used. The engineer who belong to the category of architect. So we can use the engineer of architect is correct sentence. Similarly, physician, the doesn't come before it. The physician means it is wrong. But we can say the physician of PRM hospital. Here physician is definitely used and specifically used who belong to PRM hospital. So the is used here. We must say the physician of PRM hospital. Similarly, the doesn't come before teacher. We can't say the teacher, but we can say the teacher of LMP High School. These also used before the names of newspaper. The Telegraph, the Times of India, the Asian Times, the Prajatantra, the Samaj. All these are the name of newspapers. So they comes before them. But we cannot use the before meals. Look at the example. We take breakfast at 7 a.m. Breakfast is a meal. We cannot use the before it. We can't say we take the breakfast. It will be wrong. So these not used before meals. Another example. The breakfast at Ramesh's house was delicious. But we can use the here, because here the meal breakfast refers to a particular meal. that was arranged by Ramesh. Another example, we take the breakfast at 7 a.m. It is wrong because in general sense before the name of meal we can't use the, but in specific sense we can use the. Definite article the is also used before abstract noun in specific concept, but before abstract noun in general concept the is not used. Let us see some example. The life of farmer is very hard. You see, life has been used in specific sense, specific concept, because here life means the life of farmer. So the comes before it. Similarly, the friendship between Ram and Shyam is very strong. Here you see friendship is used in specific manner. Here friendship means friendship between Ram and Shyam. So the article the has been used here. Similarly, the happiness of family life is incomparable. Here happiness is abstract noun and the comes before it because happiness has been used in specific manner. Happiness of family life. Another example, the money given by Gaurav is insufficient. Here money is uncountable noun. The comes before it because money has been used in specific manner. Money refers to the money given by Gaurav. Similarly, the respect of students make teacher great. Here the respect means the respect of students. So respect has been used in specific manner. So the comes before it. But we cannot use in general concept. Life is beautiful. Here life means life, all, everybody, everyone, all people. It is used in general concept. So the doesn't come before it. Friendship is good nature. Here friendship has been used in general concept. So the doesn't come before it. Happiness is important. I want to make money. Here you see money is uncountable and here money has been used in general concept. So the is not used before it. We can't say the money. I want to make money. It is right. But we can't say I want to make the money. It will be wrong. He wants to earn respect. Here you see respect has been used in general concept. So the doesn't come before it. We can't say he wants to earn the respect. It will be wrong. Some more examples are given here. The joy I felt on my birthday. You see here joy has been used in specific way. Joy of the joy that we enjoyed or we felt during birthday observation. So the comes before it. Similarly, the cooperation of my friend helped me do the work. Here cooperation refers to the specific cooperation given by my friend. Similarly, the silence in English class helped the teacher deliver his lesson smoothly. Here silence refers to the silence of the English class. So it is specifically used. So the comes before it. Another example, the success in last examination proved his talent. Here success refers to the specific success that was achieved in last examination. So the comes before it. But we cannot use the before abstract noun in general concept. Look at the example. Everybody wants joy. It is right. It is correct sentence. because here you see joy in general concept. Joy has been used in general sense. We cannot say everybody wants the joy. It will be wrong. Similarly, cooperation is essential. Here cooperation has been used in general sense, in general manner, in general concept. So the doesn't come before it. We can't say the cooperation is essential. It will be wrong. Similarly, silence brings peace. Everyone wants success. We should not use the before these nouns. These also used before holy books, epics, institutions, shops, clubs, etc. See the example. We can say the Bible, the Vedas, the Gita, the Quran, the Ramayana, the Ministry of Defense. So all these are the name of books, holy books, and epics. So the comes before them. But we cannot use the before names of body organs or dresses. We can't use the before body organs and dress. Look at the example. Show me your head. You see, head is an organ, the part of body. So we should not use the before it. We can't say show me your the head. It will be wrong. Similarly, he took off his shirt. We cannot say he took off his the shirt. Doctor examined his heart. It is correct, but we cannot use the before heart. Her eyes are attractive. You see, eyes cannot preceded by the, because it is the part of body, organ of body. We cannot use the before eyes. Her eyes are attractive. It is correct, but we can't say her the eyes are attractive. It will be wrong. Viewers, here some exam based questions and answers. You have to practice frequently so that you can prepare yourself for the coming examination. Let us see the instruction for the questions. Fill in the blanks using the where necessary in the following sentences. So in the questions you will find some blank spaces where you have to use definite article if necessary. You see the first question. Dash rumor I heard came true. You see in this question you have to use the if it is necessary. So here the will be used because the rumor I heard came true. Here rumor I am talking about a specific rumor, a definite rumor that I heard which finally came true. Then next question. Gopal told me dash reasons of his failure. You see the answer will be Gopal told me the reasons of his failure. Here the reason Gopal the reason refers to the exact reason which Gopal told me. So the will be used here. And then third question. Dash Earth is a member of the solar system. The answer will be the Earth is a member of the solar system because you see Earth is a unique object. Here it is unique. Earth is the only planet. No substitute or no alternate for this noun. So the will be used here. Then next question. Dash car struck a tree. You can still see dash mark on dash tree. The answer will be the car struck a tree. Here I am talking about a particular particular car. the car, that means a definite car that struck a tree, you can still see the mark on the tree. Then come to next question. Dash elephant is dash largest animal on land. Let us see the answer. Dash elephant. Here article the will not be used because elephant in general. Elephant is dash. Elephant is the largest animal on land. Here elephant has been used as general concept. Elephant means all elephant living in earth. So no article will be used before elephant. Let us see some more questions. Question 6. Dash cottage by the river has been deserted for many years. The answer will be the cottage by the river has been deserted for many years. The next question. I bought dash book you referred to yesterday. The answer will be I bought the book you referred to yesterday. You see, book is a definite book that I referred to, that you referred to yesterday. So here the question telling about or referring to a definite book, so they will be used here. Then next question. Dash earth is a member of the solar system. You see, earth is unique noun, a unique object, so they must be used. So the answer will be the earth is a member of the solar system. Then next question. Dash car struck a tree. The question is repeated, yet you have to see the question. Dash car struck a tree, you can still see dash mark on dash. The car struck a tree, you can still see the mark on the tree. Again, the next question is also repeated for your memory. Dash elephant is dash largest animal on land. Here no article will be used because elephant is used in general concept, in general sense. Elephant is the largest animal on land. Then next question. My uncle bought the house next to dash post office. My uncle bought the house next to the post office. Another question. We are not keen on meeting the people dash door. You see, here no article will be used because the door we are talking about is not known to us. We are not keen on meeting the people dash door. He works in the garage opposite our dash house. Here no article will be used. Dash Prime Minister met dash President yesterday. You see, they must be used before designation Prime Minister and President. The Prime Minister met the President yesterday. Dash sky is blue. The sky is blue. Sky is unique object, so they must be used. I am studying history at dash university. No article will be used. At dash university. So viewers, finally, thanks a lot for watching this video. How did you enjoy? Please comment. Request to subscribe, click on bell icon, share with friends, put your likes. Thank you.